Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 11282 Class 1 trailer hitch on the 2013 Chevrolet Cruze. For a better view of the installation, we'll be using a lift. Like most of our installations, this vehicle does not need to be elevated for the install. We estimate this installation to take 15 minutes to 30 minutes depending on your level of expertise. These are the tools necessary for the install. Begin by lowering the exhaust by removing 2 rubber isolators holding it in place. We recommend using a spray lubricant or soapy water mixture with a pry bar for easy removal. If there is a heat shield present on your specific vehicle, you may need to trim it to gain access to the frame. Refer to your trim diagram included in your instruction sheet. Locate and remove an exhaust hanger bolt near the rearmost hanger. Some exhaust systems may vary in attachment points. Once removed, lower the exhaust slowly. Fish wire the attachment hardware into place by using the included fish wire tool. Insert the coiled end of the fish wire into the rearmost attachment point and route it out through the large frame access point. Place a SP2 spacer over the coiled end of the fish wire and insert the spacer into the large access point. Thread a carriage bolt into the coiled end of the fish wire and pull on the opposite end of the fish wire, pulling the carriage bolt into the large access point, through the spacer, and down and out through the rearmost attachment point. Carefully remove the fish wire tool so it can be used again. Repeat this same process on the next attachment point and leave the fish wire attached when complete. Repeat this entire process on the opposite side of the vehicle. Raise the hitch into position over the fish wired hardware carefully, threading the attached fish wires into the foremost attachment points on the side plates of the hitch. Use the included flange nuts to fasten the hitch to the frame at the rearmost attachment points. Carefully remove the fish wires and then fasten the remaining carriage bolts with the remaining flange nuts. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. Reinstall the exhaust. This completes the installation of the CURT 11282 Class 1 trailer hitch on the 2013 Chevrolet Cruze. Add style to your towing setup with the CURT Euromon option and install the vehicle to trailer wiring harness next. Thank you for watching this video. Now get ready to bring it.